swift governmental tendering procedure, Krones was awarded the order for a new PET bottling line, the first and the fastest Krones turnkey water line so far in South Korea. The order was placed in October 2011. This water line, with some authentic highlights, was delivered in April 2012. It is used to fill square 500 milliliter bottles at a speed of 54,000 containers an hour and 2-liter bottles at 44,800 containers an hour. The preforms themselves are produced in a separate room. The first highlight, in fact something absolutely new from Krones, is the downstream inspection of the preforms. What's new about it is this. The rotary preform inspector assigns the faults involved to the cavity number concerned, which enables the client to obtain an accurate analysis of any possible damage or irregularities. The production of the PET preforms can be purposefully and selectively improved for each particular cavity, while the monitoring system ensures optimum container quality subsequently and ejects any defective preforms. The flawless preforms are then sorted automatically into bins and brought up to the line. Following automatic infeed, the PET preforms are passed into the stretch blow molding machine via the automatic Conti feed roller type sorter, perfectly orientated. Top-class hygiene conditions are vital to our client, which is why the Krones Pre-Jet is featured as well. The preforms are cleaned using ionized air, with UV light eliminating any harmful germs. In the modularized oven of the Contiform 3, the preforms are warmed up to their optimum treatment temperature using infrared radiation. Downstream of the heating module, another hygiene-enhancing procedure is provided. In the ContiPure module, the preforms are decontaminated with hot hydrogen peroxide, inside, outside, and at the neck finish. The PET preforms are then passed to the blowing wheel, placed in the molds, and blow molded into bottles using compressed air. The newly developed blow module enables the machine to achieve an output of 2,250 containers per hour and blow molding station. All the blow-molded bottles are inspected using 5 different cameras. PET View detects any faulty containers and will eject them immediately. The still water is bottled on a module-fill VFJ neck filler, providing an absolutely hygienic environment, thanks not least to the freestanding monotech transfer star wheels. The fill quantity is accurately measured using an inductive flow meter. Closure feed begins in the adjacent room, in the dry end area, where a capcade sorter is installed. The closures are inspected using a freestanding checkmatch unit. And the VarioClean SIP system makes sure the filling kit is optimally cleaned. The filled and capped bottles are inspected by a check mat for correct fill levels and the presence of a closure. Another rather special feature is the PET full bottle inspector. High-precision camera systems can be relied upon to detect any foreign bodies or particles. To make sure that the labels are properly positioned, the outsides of the containers are dried beforehand using a leaner dry. The labels are applied by a Krones top module, a modularized design featuring 2 stations. The labels are fed into the machine from one of the 2 Krones multi-reel C units, an automatic supply magazine that can hold up to 8 reels of labels, which are spliced automatically once a reel has been used up. Depending on the length of the labels involved, the system operates automatically for up to 8 hours, without the operator having to intervene. One additional advantage is future flexibility and an expanded choice of dress. After the bottles have been labelled, they're inspected by a check mat, and any ones with faulty dress are rejected. Now the containers are passed to the packer, which in this case is a VarioPack Pro FS8. After the containers have been properly grouped, they're taken over by pusher bars and wrapped in plastic film. A precisely temperature-controlled flow of hot air in the shrink tunnel ensures optimal shrink wrapping. The packs are grouped by a robot box featuring 2 modules. All of this is fully automated, with meticulous fidelity to the specified layer pattern. High-precision grippers turn and distribute the packs with maximized accuracy, paving the way for rigorously exact palletizing. This is handled by a Krohn's PAL block, including a linear layer pad handling capability. Once palletizing has been completed, the goods are transported to the market, which is predominantly in South Korea. The Samdaso brand is #1 for the nation's consumers, symbolizing as it does